Whistle with Maxwell and Crystal.
On Z100, New York's #1 hit music station.
DJ Drumroll to the mix, baby. You know what it is. The famous 5 o'clock whistle with Maxwell and Crystal. And let us know what's going on this weekend. It's 4th of July weekend. What you got? 800-242-0100. And, matter of fact, you let us know what you got going on this weekend. We'll give you free stuff. I think we still have, Crystal, do we still have some of those?
Yup, the Maritime Aquarium in Norwalk, Connecticut passes, plus round-trip Metro North passes. Oh, we're hooking you up.
You ain't got to worry about gas when you call us. 800-242-0100. Let us know what's poppin'. DJ Drumroll, do what you do, man. 5 o'clock whistle is on Z100. Here we go.